What if I tell you this was the only makeup I wore during my interviews? So let's get started. And I was already selected during my first interview. So let's not waste more time and get into the video, and let's see what all grooming standards has to be taken care of and what shouldn't be done during your cabin crew interviews, and also to look subtle, well done and well groomed. So hi, it's 2:30 in the morning and let's get ready for an interview.
Good morning, everybody. So this is the most requested video. You guys have flooded into my Instagram DMs asking about cabin crew interview makeup. So today I'll be doing the makeup and I'll show you guys how you can do the makeup during the interviews. And also, it depends on which airline you are applying for. You should always look for the cabin crew, the way they are dressed in the uniform. Go for the Google pictures, or you can search on the web how does the particular cabin crew of the particular airlines dress and how the grooming is. So I'll be telling you a simple grooming today which you can do for your interviews. So that is going to help you to uh, go with any airline interview. That is like the basic makeup that I'll be going to teach you today. So just watch this video till the end.
टू बिगिन विथ सबसे पहले अपने स्किन को प्रेप करना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो उसके लिए 3 स्टेप्स है. CTM विच मीन्स क्लेंजिंग, टोनिंग एंड मॉइस्चराइजिंग. द CTM स्टैंड्स फॉर क्लेंजिंग, टोनिंग एंड मॉइस्चराइजिंग. तो मैंने फेस को ऑलरेडी क्लेंस कर लिया है. लेट्स go ahead.
With the makeup, the very first step has to be CTM, which means cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So पहला स्टेप है टोनर. क्लेंजिंग तो मैं ऑलरेडी कर लिया, तो मैं भी टोन करूँगी अपने फेस को. क्योंकि मैं इस वीडियो को रात के 3 बजे शूट कर रही हूँ, तो मैं डायरेक्टली अपना मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाऊंगी, हाइड्रेटिंग मॉइस्चराइज़र. इससे मेरा फेस फ्लॉलेस रहेगा, ना केकी होगा और ना ही ड्राई होगा, ना ही ऑयली होगा. क्योंकि आपका बेस प्रेप होगा तो आपका मेकअप लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहेगा. और मुझे पता है इंटरव्यूज में कितना टाइम चला जाता है एक राउंड दूसरे राउंड के लिए.
As my base is already set, let's go in with the makeup now. So the very first step should be the primer, because this is the only product which is going to create a barrier between your skin and the makeup which you're going to put, the layers of the makeup which you're going to put. So primer is very very important, and also this primer will be keeping the grip. Your makeup will not get disposed, or it will not transfer very easily. It will be long lasting as well. You can use any primer of your choice and of your skin type, but do not forget to add primer into your makeup routine. Okay, so the primer step is done. I will let this thing to set for a few seconds. So now I'll be directly going with the foundation. So the foundation also, you should take a very little amount and do not go directly. Just dispose the foundation a bit by bit onto your entire face, so that there is nothing more and nothing less. For example, अगर आप डायरेक्टली ऐसे डाल दोगे तो इस एरिया में हो सकता है ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट हो और यहाँ पे कम प्रोडक्ट हो. उस वजह से स्किन बहुत अनइवन और कहीं कहीं जगह पे फ्लेकी और केकी लग सकता है. सो इट्स ऑलवेज इम्पॉर्टेंट, यू हैव टू deposit the foundation like this. Just make a dot on entire face. Do not forget the neck. So now this is done, and then you can go in with the brush or a beauty blender and then just gently tap it and blend it all over.
So the next step is concealing. I do not have that much of dark circles at the moment right now because of good routine which I'm following. So I'll be just using a little bit just for your knowledge, and then blend it all over under your eyes and any area where you have discoloration, especially around this area, or anywhere you have a scar or pimple mark. Please use a concealer. Just because मेरे उतने नहीं है तो मैंने पहले नहीं यूज़ किया, मैं अपने फाउंडेशन के ऊपर यूज़ कर रही हूँ इसको, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा डार्क शेड में और मुझे हमेशा कंसीलर थोड़ा डार्क शेड यूज़ करना पसंद है. So now this is done. My base is set. Now go ahead with the blush and the loose powder.
Applying the loose powder so that the makeup doesn't look too much wet or too oily. Gently just dabbing the leftover to entire face so that the oiliness is not there and I do not look very very dewy during the interview. Okay, so this is set, and then I'll go ahead with the blush. You can use any blush, cream blush. I'm using the powder one, so just using some of these. I have blush blindness, so I always use excess blush, which is not good actually. So the next step is the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow I'm using only one color, which is this one. And honestly, during my interview days also I had used only one color and blended it likewise till I felt that it was looking even. Honestly, I am not that into makeup, but yeah, I just do some experiment and it should look neat. That is the whole point of doing makeup. So yeah, see, I didn't put any effort. I just deposited the color and it anyhow looks very clean and natural. Doesn't look too much and nor it looks creased. And also I'm doing the makeup in front of the camera, so I might face a difficulty during the shoot. Going ahead with the kajal. This is already mandatory for so many airlines, so do not miss your kajal. See, the kajal is done, so this is the time to do the liner. And do not forget, this is the mandatory look: kajal, liner, your eyebrows and mascara. So this has to be the mandatory one. I'll use the mirror for this one and then get back.
My liner is almost done and do not worry for thinking like अगर मेरा लाइनर सही नहीं हुआ या कुछ, मुझे अभी तक आज तक नहीं आता सही से लाइनर लगाना. एंड ऑल्सो आई टेल यू, योर मेकअप हैज़ टू लुक perfect. It shouldn't be wow or it shouldn't be best. It should just look perfect. It shouldn't look bad, cakey or overly done or less done. There should be some kind of deposited product on your face. Doesn't matter आप अच्छा मेकअप करते हो, बहुत बुरा मेकअप करते हो, बट हाँ आपका ग्रूमिंग और आपका स्किन सेटल लगना चाहिए. दैट इज़ द होल पॉइंट ड्यूरिंग योर इंटरव्यू. सो डू नॉट थिंक दैट आई डोंट नो ग्रूमिंग, मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं है. मैं जो स्टेप बता रही हूँ वो बस आप किसी भी ब्रांड का आपके सूटेबल स्किन टाइप के हिसाब से आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट कोई भी ब्रांड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. बट मेक श्योर दिस थिंग्स are mandatory done. The eye look, the lipstick, the blush, the eyebrows, it's mandatory.
So now my eye is done. I'll go in with the eyebrows and then the mascara, because if I do the mascara I'll face the difficulties to do this thing. So for that I'm using a pencil and just filling the brow.
I do not need a much of product for my eyebrows because I already have a dense eyebrow. So I'll be just giving it a little bit of color so that it doesn't look too dull, but it just pops out. Can you see the difference? My eyebrows are a little more visible now. And then I'm just going ahead with this kind of brush and just brushing it out evenly.
एंड ऑल्सो वाइल वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़ आपको पता चल ही गया कि मैं कोई प्रोफेशनली डन टाइप ऑफ मेकअप नहीं करती हूँ. एक और चीज़ मैं कंफर्म कर दूँ, आप जब सिलेक्ट हो जाते हो तो एयरलाइन आपको खुद ही ग्रूमिंग सिखाती है, कौन से प्रोडक्ट कौन से शेड यूज़ करना है वो सब एयरलाइन सिखाती है. सो डू नॉट पैनिक, जस्ट गो फॉर योर इंटरव्यूज़ एंड दैट इज़ द मोटिव. That is the only motive to join aviation. Just go ahead with any interviews. Do not miss any interviews. So everything is done. I'm only left with the mascara and lipstick. So let's go ahead with that. मैं बॉटम लैशेस पे ही मस्कारा लगा रही हूँ ताकि मेरी आंखें और भी ज़्यादा बड़ी लगे और ओपन अप लगे, ताकि मैं स्लीपी और टायर्ड ना लगूँ इंटरव्यूज़ के टाइम पे. And that is some of the basic grooming which is followed already in airline because I'm already working as a cabin crew. So ये हमारे लिए already mandatory है. And it also gives a good look. Can you see the difference my eyes are looking like? Nice.
So the most mandatory part is the lipstick. You can go ahead with any nude lipstick, but make sure it suits with your skin tone. Do not go with too light or too dark browns. Go with the nude ones. Or if you are confused,
so confused like me, I've always gone with the red lipstick because I was never sure about that which color is suiting best, because I'm very bad at choosing nude shades, honestly. So before you ask me, I didn't use a lip liner क्योंकि मुझे आदत नहीं है. मैं पहले से लिप लाइनर्स यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. अगर आप चाहें तो आप कर सकते हैं यूज़, नो हार्म, because I know the entire structure of my lips, so I can go ahead without the lip liner. And this is the whole look. This is the whole interview look, guys. Just trust me, this doesn't even take a much of time. Just go ahead with whatever I have told you. See, the eyes look so well done. The makeup, the base and also the lipstick, it looks so good. And already I look so fresh and awake. And it's just 3 or 4 o'clock now. While doing the makeup, already the time has gone to 4 o'clock in the morning. And see, this is my makeup. So makeup is already done. I'm wearing my watch. And this is the shirt which I used during my cabin crew interview, and the blazer too. Trust me, till date as a flying crew, I am still using the same step of makeup, and the same routine is followed every day during my flights. This was the only look I created during my first interview, and I had got selected. And this is the shirt which I wore during my first interview, and the blazer. So trust me guys, this is enough. No need for highlighter, lot of bronzing, contouring, nothing. Just a subtle makeup base and you're good to go. I look well groomed with the minimum things I use onto my face. For the nail paint, you can go for pink, red, nude, peach. Do not go for black, purple, dark blue kind of shades. And also just take care which airline you're applying for, what is their grooming standards. Apart from that, I have kept my hair open because I have short hair, and during my prime time I had long hair, so I had made the bun. In the next video I'll teach you guys how to make bun and some different hairstyles too, so stay tuned. And for the watch, I'm wearing this rose gold color watch. So during the interview you can go with silver, golden, rose gold or bronze color of watches. Do not go for any very cream, very colorful watch or very diamond watch or very designed watch. Go with the basic formal watches. You can google any formal watches, you'll get lot of varieties. Use the website, internet, go ahead with the interviews. आपको जो इंटरव्यू दिखे आप बस चले जाइए, इंटरव्यूज दीजिए और उसे क्रैक कर लेना. बट मेक श्योर यू डू योर बेस्ट फ्रॉम योर एंड. योर ग्रूमिंग, योर प्रिपरेशन हैज़ टू बी 100% गुड. फॉलो अप के साथ आप सिलेक्ट हो सकते हैं एक ना एक दिन. सो टिल देन स्टे ट्यून. बेस्ट ऑफ लक गाइज, एंड आई विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.